ये निकल गया तो क्या, not my personal favorite. This आगे का पीछे का, there is no sticking. It is quite big and bulky. This is 100% organic content. Periods are already so annoying, and on top of that we now have to sit and figure out what's better for us and the planet. And with the amount of options that are out there in the market, it can get really confusing. Hi guys, I'm Ashi Adani, and in today's video we are testing India's most popular sustainable period products to see what actually works in real life and what doesn't. So let's get started. Also, I want to make one thing very clear, that periods I feel like is a very personal topic and a very personal experience which differs from person to person. So what might work for me might not work for you, and what might work for you might not work for me either. So let's be kind to everyone in the comments. Everyone is allowed to have opinions and none of them are wrong or right. I really want to encourage more conversations around intimate hygiene. So if you have experiences that people can learn from or something that you feel like needs to be shared, then please leave your story down in the comments. First product is menstrual cup. I'm sure everyone is aware about it. It is the most popular sustainable product that I can think of. If you haven't seen it, this is what a menstrual cup looks like. It basically goes inside of you and it's like this entire thing stays inside you, and then you just pull it out using this. Now, a lot of people have fear of things inserting inside them, so this is tricky for you. It also takes a few tries to learn. सबको ये भी डर रहता है कि ये निकल गया तो क्या, but it's very sturdy guys, नहीं निकलता है. Once this is inside you, you don't need to remove it for up to 8 hours depending on your flow, but like it is very long lasting. But when you do remove it, you have to wash it and then wear it again, and after each period you want to make sure to put this in like boiling water and sterilize it. Now, it took me a lot of tries to get this right and get this in. It was frustrating, it was irritating, because I don't want that stuff, especially on my period. But once it was in, guys, it felt super comfortable. You don't feel anything, like you actually don't feel anything, which is amazing with this. Like, you know, when you sneeze and you can feel it, you don't feel that with this, because this is already inside you. It's holding everything up. There's no traveling of blood happening, if you know what I mean. Why I don't like this is because I hate seeing blood. That is something about me. I hate seeing blood in like quantity. Okay, so when after removing this and like washing it, I hated doing that. I don't want to do that. So would I use this again? Probably not, because it actually like makes me nauseous to see that much blood. So that's just a me problem. This is great for the environment because you can use this innumerable times. It's small, it's handy. A lot of women I know swear by this. Next, we've got period panties. Now, as you can see, these are normal panties. They already have a pad inbuilt right here, okay, inside. In theory, it's a great product because you can just remove it, put it for wash in your washing machine, and then wear it once it's dried up, basically, and you can keep using this over and over again. This was okay to wear around, but as you can see, it is quite big and bulky, so I had to kind of keep adjusting throughout the day. And the day that I had a very heavy flow, it felt more bulky and like more damp down there, which I did not personally enjoy. Also, a lot of people might find the process of getting this washed irritating. For me, it was fine. I'd probably give this like a 3 on 5. Would I wear this again if I was chilling at home or I was around? Probably not. But if I was traveling somewhere for like all day with no access to clean washrooms or stuff like that, then I would definitely wear this, and I would wear like thick pair of pants because I don't like panty lines and this kind of shows through. Next, I've gotten reusable cloth pads. Now, this one is very cool because firstly, it's pink, but it's gonna get dirty. Secondly, it doesn't have that sticky glue which kind of sticks to your skin sometimes. It has this button, so you can just like put it on your underwear and it's secure. The only issue I have with this is you can't wear this while you're working out because this aage ka piche ka, there is no sticking, right? So it kind of moves around and I had to readjust a bit, which I didn't like doing. This was great for normal days. For heavy days also, there was no problem. In fact, I really like this for spotting days because you don't have to worry much about it, and like it's comfortable. Even if it moves around, nothing is going to get dirty basically on spotting days. So I liked it for that. Again, you have to wash this yourself, so if you're comfortable with that, which I am okay with, then you might want to consider this option. I would give this a solid 4.5 on 5. And would I wear this again? Yeah, definitely. Like if I was at home chilling, I don't have to worry much about moving around, definitely. Very comfortable fabric. This doesn't irritate your skin. Next, I've got a menstrual disc. Now this is very similar to your menstrual cup, but the only difference is that this entire thing goes inside you and you kind of have to pull it out with this, which was a struggle to say the least. Like isko dalna bhi ek struggle hai, isko nikalna bhi according to me was a struggle. You have to like pinch an 8 and like then insert it facing downwards, and then you take, once this is settled, then you like go in with this. So it was a bit of a task to learn, and again, like the menstrual cup, I don't want to be doing that. Like I wish I could learn it pehle se and then like use it on my period days. Learning this on my period days was damn irritating. Also, I found it very, very scary. This is great. Like this also fills up the blood. It'll last you all day. You will not feel a thing. You will not even realize you're on your period, and you just have to remove it at the end of the night, wash it, and then like put it back up in. Very, very sustainable. Not my personal favorite. It was a struggle to put in, but if you guys have any tips and tricks about how to make this more user friendly, please leave them in the comments, because I really want to once I get over my fear of blood, but like I really couldn't with this one. Please leave tips in the comments. I would give this a 2 on 5. Would I try it again? No, I don't think so. Next, we've got biodegradable tampons. Tampons are my favorite thing in the whole wide world, and I shifted to tampons only and only because I used to hate having that bulky pad wala feeling in your underwear, which I'm sure everyone can relate to. If I would sneeze, I could feel it. Every time I got up, I was uncomfortable. So and I hate panty lines. You like, don't forget that about me. I hate panty lines. So I hated and I used to dance a lot. So I used to go to dance class, and then I would hate my outfit because like a lot of people could like, you could easily see that pad ka marking in a legging. So my sister used to use tampons, and once I just like stole one to see how it would work for me, and I inserted it, did a very bad job at it. Like I was actually in pain. Then I went to dance class, then I went to the washroom and I like kind of readjusted it, and then I did my dance class. Guys, I didn't feel a thing. Nothing, not a one. I did not feel like I was on my period, and I can just roam around freely if I have a tampon in. The only thing is you have to change it every 4 to 5 hours, which is kind of irritating, but I really, really like the convenience and the comfort of it while you're dressing up, and for special occasions, and for swimming, and for water activities. I love it for all of this. This is 100% organic cotton. It is biodegradable, but you keep buying more because you can't reuse this, so it's not the best for the environment, but I'm still gonna give it a 4.5 because my comfort during my periods is very important to me. Would I use it again? 100%. I would recommend everybody to use this again. And that's about it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and tell me your experience with any of these products, whatever you feel like telling me. I'd love to read it. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.